Come on then. Faggy. No need to tree at the bottom. Dan.
Now it's got stuck.
There's Mr. MX boy.
Where's that fucking tree? I want to get back up on it.
You've been flying 250 feet. He's losing the voice.
You move that tree. Go on, you move that tree.
He's giving off the edge of there.
Let's be off before you want to now.
He's gonna fall off the fucking bank in a minute if you don't fucking carry on.
I think there was three of that rope and that tree down there.
Oh, we'll just skip the tree.
Yeah, we'll all just fucking run down the hill for you. I won't bother going fucking down. I'll go back that way. Stay. I'll go back there. Alex, guys. Yeah.
I'm going to be stuck on
He's off his doing his boxes at the minute.
Yo, okay, a couple talk around the corner.
You'll see me fucking down there.
Right,
He's fucking gone.
Just push your bike down and go out down on your arm. Yeah, really good. She's a new bike.
Whoa.
Whoa. Well, the only one recording.
His bike's still sliding, man.
We're more laughing at him, we ain't even helping him.
Steve, I'll just go that way. Safer. Pull.
Three minutes and I don't fuck all, yeah. Nah, you ain't getting down there.
You won't get down there, you mad?
Don't jump along.
Yeah, you'll jump the log, you'll end up down there.
Oh,
Into the trees down there. Into the pond.
you best stop sliding down.
Billy, you can have a fifth coppers and come in. If you coppers and come in, you'll soon be fucking down there. If coppers come, y'all go fucking on me, boy. You've been praying time, I think.
What?
You've been praying.
Oh, fuck. I want to get to this as well. Bill! It's a front wheel for us.
You got your gloves on? You're gonna be like down that way, you'd have killed yourself.
Hello, boy.
Is it a girl or a boy? It's a boy, eh?
Hello, boy. Hello. We're going to start Marvin back fucking down.
That was the stuff, that was fucking funny, that was, man.
He's still sleeping now.
Nah, they see the coppers coming this way.
It's alright, Josh, you went to check the coppers.